So we know it's a beautiful day. I know some of you are going to work, some of you are going to school. So we're going to speak positive over our day. Said this morning I woke up and I looked in the mirror and every part of my body was in place. Many people died and never saw this day. So another day I live, I appreciate. Don't ever wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I can fall down on my face. So in everything, Lord, I give you praise, and that puts a smile on my face. Sing, Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, I thank you for joy, I thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Don't survive. Let us unite. So we got one life. So it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadows of death, I will fear no evil. When I see the clock ticking away and things are not in place, everything in life happens for a reason. Disappointment comes with a lesson. It's for me to get wiser, got to work harder. In the end it will get better. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. I know where you are now, just sing with. Thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, yeah. Don't be surprised, let us unite. We got one life, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Say it's a beautiful day. Anyway, you don't know. Hey. If you got life, then give God praise. You may not have much, but you're living day by day. Can of faith. And don't want to work, get up off that seat and put that brain to work. If you got life, then give God praise. You may not have much, but you're living day by day. Can of faith and don't want to work, get up off that seat and put that. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Come on, put that smile on your face. It's a beautiful day. No matter what you're going through, it's a beautiful day. Hey! It's an island worship band.
It's a beautiful day. Jermaine Edwards and friends with us this morning. Welcome everyone to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, middle of the week. It's January 16. It's a Wednesday. Ooh. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. So great to have you with us. It is a beautiful day. We are alive. We're here. We're well.
If you have life.
Well, go on.
Beautiful day. I'm good.
Everything is everything?
Everything is everything. Managing.
I'm trying to figure out how come your parents died from they were children. I'm trying to figure out that one. You're just proper dunce, you know that?
You know, you tell me that I dunce last week, I tell me that dunce this week.
But as you said, I'm looking at national TV, and the man said, so you have anybody? You say no, I lose my parents from them was children. That's what you said.
I didn't say that. Nora said that.
Who is Nora? No, you.
Nora is the young lady in the show. That's my character.
You know that is impossible, right?
What?
That you can't lose your parents from them was children.
Suppose it's a miracle birth. Suppose it's a miracle. And like...
The sound in done, sir. Jermaine, what on?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Great
Thank
to
you
see
for the nice start to
Yeah,
the
man,
morning,
and we will have
sir.
a chat with Jermaine later on. But folks, I know it's back to school time, so I have to move out. And
Back to school?
Yeah.
Them come back to school long
I know,
time,
that's what I
please.
say, and the roads are still not what they ought to be. So I know you have to leave a lot earlier
But
than
they're
you
much
normally
better
would.
than they used to be.
But you know something? In the afternoons, I don't know if we're going a different way or we have staggered hours now, but the afternoons not as bad as they were a couple of weeks ago and last year. It's taken me a little, not as long as before, to
get
get
home?
through the traffic in the afternoons, which is great.
Well, I know one of the reasons for my side being a little lighter is because a lot of the Zozo stops have been lifted. So that kind of lightens the traffic on my end.
I never know that was ever an issue. But that's right. All right, so there's nothing sweet about the effects of too much sugar. We get to the bottom line of the ban and get the answers to some of Jamaica's questions.
And from Jamaica's questions to BBC World questions, the International Radio Debate Series is making a what stop right here in JA and goes on air this weekend. We've got BBC journalist Johnny Diamond on standby.
And if you're working on your diamond body,
Yes,
folks from courts
she's
are about
at
to
it
help
again.
you out. They're stopping by with a trainer and some tone-up tools
What am I trying to tell you, Sir Nibs?
that you need to tone up.
Me, okay.
Not me, I am. Look at me, folks.
You're
I'm
right.
quite toned.
You're
am I
very
not?
right, you're toned. And 10 tools everyone should have in their home. We've got the list you need to go shopping later.
Hear the
Them a
issue.
give you money?
No, but you're the issue with that. You can't have all the tools in life.
If you don't know if
if
you use it, you're
them.
just dead
I still have
anyway.
to call my neighbor.
There's
I
no
said,
point.
"Mo, hang up a picture. Come knock up this."
You meant that as a joke, right?
No. For me, it was just joke. Me look like this. I work,
Neville,
man.
it only take a hammer and either one of them someday with the four prong and the hook on the bottom or a nail.
No, I know who to call.
Ghostbusters.
No, I know who to call. No, man, you said that with confidence.
Of course. So me must hang up my own picture in my
You have
house.
the tone-up picture. Show them the tone-up picture. Because them think I joke there because me say I'm toned. Look at
Hey!
that. Look at that. Speaking
remember
of
when they
tone,
put that
and my manager
picture up.
laugh when the manager say, who the man there? I don't know, boss. That. All right, and she's got more than shopping bags, folks. We got a fashion designer stocking up on bags in lieu of the plastic bag ban, but she's also got the styles to rock for the season.
And he's rocking the smile stage. You heard him this morning. Jermaine Edwards, he warmed things up earlier and he's just getting started. He's here to heat up the mic all day. But first, well, not all day,
Hold
all
on,
morning.
all-
Coming
no,
to know
I mean,
if they
that-
can tell
all
festive
day.
whole day.
I've been asking the producers from day one that I would like to come here on a Wednesday and we just have a little studio audience, have a nice little band like Jermaine. You know, I mean, do like a one interview every half hour.
Oh, you want chill, you know, want
We
work.
can have a morning stage show.
a morning
Just,
stage
yeah, and
show.
just have some music. Don't them have morning parties as to them advertise couple.
Yeah, but those are done usually on a holiday morning or a morning when people
Well, we
are
have a
not going
band
to work.
Wednesday morning, so it doesn't have to be a holiday. I'm just suggesting just one Wednesday. All right, say one Wednesday in every other month. We just have like a music man. It's a little
That sounds
different
good.
thing.
That sounds good to
We
me.
can still have an interview. I'm
Yeah,
not saying
man.
we just come and we just sit
You
down.
say have an interview, meaning one.
Or two. So we can't have the band just a play. So them play. All right, here the plan. I have it, you know. Then play for half hour, from 8 to 8:30, from 6 to 6:30. Then we have news. Then we come back, we do a one interview. Ban again, straight back to the next news, 7:30. Then we do another interview, that's the second one. Ban again, 8:15. Last interview to tell the people, ban again. Simple thing. Tell me which band wouldn't like that.
Oh, the band would like that. I'm just not sure if the producers
Well, I don't
would
know if
like
the band
that.
would like that still, because the band not get no money. But I
No,
think it's a
but-
good idea.
but them get a
I
nice
think
little
my
play
idea
out.
is a good idea. Producers, please think about it. Hot topics time. So Sakina, I told you that we're going to be speaking with Mr. Johnny Diamond about the World Questions series. The reason is in Jamaica. I'm not certain if why that's the first one up. Are we
Yeah.
going there first?
I guess you should.
I guess we're
All
going
right,
there
go right
first.
ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah. So that is the Prime Minister of Britain. So she was, overwhelmingly, the British lawmakers rejected the Prime Minister's divorce deal with the European Union yesterday. And it says plunging the Brexit process into chaos. And it triggered a no confidence vote that would topple the government. You know, I'm a little confused with this because I thought they had actually come out of the European Union a long time. And then I heard there was going to be, what do you call this thing when they ask the people about a road to talk? Another consensus.
Oh, consensus.
But, yeah, something like that still. But it says lawmakers will vote today. Maybe they've already voted because they're about 6 hours ahead of us on a vote of no confidence. They said the government loses, it will have 14 days to overturn the result or face a national election. But it seems like she will not lose because she has enough support. But I'm still not understanding exactly what's going on with this, whether you leave Europe or you don't leave Europe, because I think that was done and dusted a long time ago. But now it seems it says no to Brexit. Let's stay with the EU. But again, I'm repeating myself. But I thought
that was over and done with.
I thought that was already a done deal. We move on, which is where I was going first. You heard Sakina saying Johnny Diamond is here, and we'll be doing an interview with Mr. Diamond later on. But he also raised a couple questions about the Chinese in Jamaica. Well, it says it is fantastic to get investment, and Jamaica shouldn't be scared. But of course, you have to be aware about taking all your aid from one great power. Now, this is Mr. Charlie Taylor, and he was sharing that investors from China and other powerful nations may offer a lot of good, but could have ulterior motives. Mr. Diamond says the Chinese move very fast, and he warned that very few countries in the world give out aid without wanting something. And he says takeover is probably a strong word because Jamaica is going to remain politically independent. But he is saying, Sakidaki, that we have to be careful on what we want.
I'm not sure. I mean, thank you for the insight, and coming from you, it is a little stronger, but I don't think we needed anyone to actually tell us that.
Yeah.
That's something that I think we all have known and we all have been saying. I saw a meme the other day that said, you know, they're doing this 10-year challenge thing. Even TVJ was in on it.
Yep.
And I saw something the other day that said Jamaica, 10 years ago, Jamaica, it was a picture of the island, and then 10 years forward, China.
Yeah.
It's insane when we look at it,
Yeah,
because
maybe that's a little, maybe.
I mean, obviously that's over.
Going overboard, but who?
But we don't.
The
need to
10-year
get
thing
there.
kind of get funny. So I said they put up a picture of a goat and then a picture of
Curry goat. Did you see the picture of the kernel of corn and then popcorn? Win.
Yeah, we just take things to another level.
Yeah, but take things make joke, man.
What's
Why
next,
not?
madam?
The last one is Reggae Girls coach gets prestigious CONCACAF awards. Now, did you know that our female footballers qualified 20, well, of course you know, Mr. Football, 20 years after the Reggae Boys went. And they're also going to run on the 7th of the 7th. That not sound good?
So
Isn't this,
brilliant.
yeah, I mean, this, you know, 7 is a good number, right?
Yeah.
They say. So that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
But the
We're talking about the
coach,
CONCACAF Awards.
yes.
And
All right.
CONCACAF means just the region. It's the Caribbean, North America, and Central America. That's what it means, CONCACAF.
Oh, how'd that go? Tell me again.
It's the Caribbean region.
Huh?
Yeah. North America,
The word that have N? That's the N?
I guess, and Central America. So like CONCACAF, Guatemala, Honduras,
I thought that
El
the letters
Salvador,
had
the United
something to
States,
do with it.
Mexico, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, all the countries in this region are called
CONCACAF
So they've
countries.
divided the world in 4 different confederations, so, or more than 4. So you have Africa, you have South America, you have Europe, you have CONCACAF, you have Asia. So I think it's about 6 or 7. So we have done really, really well. So Mr. Menzies was named Coach of the Year for a female team. Someone said he was named the top female coach.
No,
which-
but you can't say it like that, right?
You can't
said
say
make
it.
it a little
Yeah, it
confusing.
can sound like
he's a top coach for a
it's-
female
yeah, he's
team.
a top coach
Mr.
for a female team,
Menzies.
which is different from a female coach.
Yes.
Khadijah Shaw, Jody Brown selected to the female best 11. Shaw, runner-up for the best player in CONCACAF for the year. behind the United States Alex Morgan for Female Player of the Year. And she also got the third best goal of the year across both sexes, apparently, which is just fantastic. So the Jamaicans...
they have a comparative award where they compare the men to the women? Why you can say that she had the best goal?
Yeah, because there are some countries will say, well, it's the best goal by a female, and some will say best goal by a male. Well, they're saying her goal was number 3 across the board. It's like the Guardian Award that she got.
You agree with that?
I don't know about the other 2 goals. I don't know which one was first and which one was second. But she also won the Guardian in England. They made her the top player across both sexes. Top player in the world, which
Big
is
up
just
yourself.
amazing. All right, I have
So 7th
some...
of the 7th.
Yeah, I have some...
Lots of birthdays.
Yeah, the people...
Whole heap.
Them not working with me.
Nuffed.
Yeah. Belated birthday to Elwa Silston from Antigua. Celebrated his 9th birthday yesterday. Greetings coming from Grandma P, Auntie Ren, and cousin Malik. This young man name is Tafari. Today is his birthday. Tafari, I hope you have a brilliant day. Greetings coming from your mom, St. Archibald, and your dad, Garfield Virgin, who is the kindest person I've ever met in my life.
Who says so? You say so?
Yeah, I'm serious. He's
Serious?
an incredible man, and he does so much for so many. So Tafari,
wow.
your dad is an amazing person. I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today. This lady is Tanetta Johnson. Tanetta, happy birthday. The greetings coming from Cavian. I know you know Cavian Miller. Tanetta, very nice outfit. Look hot, Tanetta. I hope you have a great day. All
right.
There you go, Tanetta.
All right.
And I hope it's Tanetta, not Tanita, but I think it's Tanetta. So have a brilliant and amazing day today. I don't done yet. Happy birthday to Joycelyn Hyman. Today is her birthday, Mrs. Hyman. I pray that you live to see many, many more. This is coming from your daughters, Andrea, Tanisha, and Derice. There you go. There you go, Mrs. Hyman. And the last one from me this morning is a very special one. She's my very, very good friend. She's in the United States Army.
Ooh.
And she's Staff Sergeant Kimberly Ricketts. And she's, as I said, my very, very good friend. Oops. Yeah, no, it's Richard just sent me something. No, Richard just sent me a picture. I'm coming, Richard. So there you go.
Wow, uniformed and all.
Yeah, man. I was talking to her this morning very early, and she said, well, I have to go because I have to go do some physical training.
All right.
Staff Sergeant Kimberly Ricketts. We don't have one more. Today is the boss' birthday inside. Richard Prince, the man's birthday. Yeah. Which one you send it to, Richard?
So me just walk past him and
happy
don't tell him
birthday,
happy
Richard
birthday
Prince.
for this
We'll soon show him. He have a radio face quietly still, but me will show him still. I'm ready. What? The boss don't look bad in another one, yeah?
Him send you a glamour shot.
Yeah, man, the boss don't look bad. Richard, you clean up for the birthday thing. Suit and tie. I've never seen him in dress
He
like
does
this.
not look like that on a regular
Easy,
day, folks.
Richard. Happy
No.
birthday, my friend, and I pray that you live to see many more.
Okay, you have to hold up this one because
Yeah?
you know that your hand.
Yeah?
Nice and
There you go.
happy first birthday to Ezekiel Dar Jr. from Mommy, Daddy, Kevinese, Erica, Paula, and family. That
Wicked.
little cutie pie is celebrating
man.
his first today.
There you go.
Happy birthday belatedly to Shanika Grossman. They call her Pinky. Her mommy cussed me off yesterday because she said I never remember to give the birthday greeting. It was on the 10th of January, so it's from mommy, auntie, brother, and family. Then I have one for Carol Blanchard. She's a principal of Mona Prep. Even though her birthday is not until the 19th, they asked me to do it today, so I'm doing it for you. They said I must give you lots of love. No, me not do it yet.
We have to hurry up.
Oh, we have to hurry up?
Go on,
All right,
Tom.
come. Get in the picture. Happy birthday to Zachary Young, who celebrates his birthday on the 16th of January. That's today. Greetings from Mommy Camille, Dad, Peter, other relatives, and friends. Marjorie Howell and Mavis Thompson are Mother May. Them said Dion Silvera, so you must pick up yourself and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful birthday. Yes.
Final
we done.
one. Happy birthday to my mother, Marvette Bernard Johnson. It says from kids and grandkids. It's from Erica Johnson. So have a great day. Happy birthday.
Woo! Lots of birthdays.
Plenty. I'm now working with me.